Hello there. In this video, we will explore a convenient way to install a collection of WordPress plugins with just one click. Often, when working on different sites, you find yourself using the same set of plugins. Instead of installing each one individually every time you start a new project, we will show you a time-saving method to install your favorite plugins instantly. Let's get started. Currently, I am in the WordPress dashboard, specifically the plugins area. Typically, you would install plugins from here by clicking on Add New Plugins or Upload a plugin. However, this process can be quite time consuming. To automate this process, we will use a plugin called WPCore. So let's search for WPCore, install it, and then activate it. Now if we navigate to the settings of the WPCore plugin, you will notice that it asks for a collection key. To proceed, we will need to create a collection on the WPCore website. You can create an account to manage your collection, but for now we will create a guest collection without signing up. Let's provide a name and description for our collection. You can choose to make your collection public or private depending on your preference. Once you have completed these details, click Continue. The collection key will be generated, but before we copy it, we need to add the desired plugins to our collection. You can add plugins from the WordPress.org repository or upload custom plugins if needed. For this demonstration, we will add plugins directly from WordPress.org. Let's quickly add plugins like Gutenberg, WooCommerce, WP Rocket, Akismet, Yoast, and UpTop Plus to our collection. Once you have added all the desired plugins, copy the collection key and return to the WPCore settings in your WordPress dashboard. Paste the collection key here and voila! All the plugins you added to the collection are now visible here. You can save this collection by clicking on Save Collection, and when you are ready, click Install Plugins. You can install all the plugins in bulk by selecting them, but do keep in mind that if one of the plugins depends on the installation of another, it may not install through this method. In such cases, you will need to install the required plugins first and then separately install the dependent plugin. In our case, the plugins are installed with just one click. The best part is you don't need to create the collection again in the future. Simply remember the collection key and you can swiftly install your plugins hassle-free. So there you have it. A quick and efficient way to install collection of WordPress plugins in a single click. Say goodbye to repetitive manual installation and embrace the time-saving power of WP Core.